superhero is named is Animal Man and Poncho. They live in a cave. Their hideout is the animal cave.
My superheroes is named Poncho and Animal Man. They are best friends. They live in a cave. Their hideout is the animal cave. It has a lot of animals.
My superhero name is Super Dog. He lives in Dog World. His hideout is a cool pool up so high and a cat with him named Super Cat.
My superheroes' names are Yellowy and Meow and Pink. They live in the ocean. Their hideout is the ocean. She's 4 pets.
My super name is Cat, and I work in a cave, and I have a lot of pets. And my hideout is glowing with gems. It is beautiful.
My superhero is named Jello. They live in Japan. Their hideout is a cake. It has a lot of stuff.
My superhero is named Dogga Hero. She lives in a pumpkin. Her hideout is under her bed. It has a secret computer that she takes out when she sleeps.
My name is Secret Hedgehog. My secret hideout is on top of a rooftop. I live in Chocolate Land. My superhero is named Cool Kid. They live in Banana City. Their hideout is in a banana store with blasting electricity.
My superhero is named Laserland. That they live in Montague. The headquarters is in a cave. It has a transforming place and a TV. It also has a clear door and 2 calculators. It also has a helmet. That is my headquarters.
My superhero is named Waterman. They live in Water World. Their hideout is the ship.
Superhero name is Super Cookies because I love cookies. The sidekicks is Milky, and the hideout is in outer space.